Properties of rotation. Vocabulary. Rotation, a transformation that turns a figure around a given point. Center of rotation, the point about which is a figure is rotated. Example, the figure shows triangle A, B, C. Graph the image of triangle ABC after a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. So clockwise means this one from left to right, and counterclockwise means from right to left. So clockwise means this one. So 90 degrees like one quadrant. So step 1, rotate the figure clockwise from the y-axis to the x-axis. Point A will still be at 0, 0. So point B is right here. So point B is, the coordinate is 1, 2, negative 2, and 1, 2, 3, positive 3. So point B is 2 units to the left of the y-axis. So point B prime, that means the point after we rotate, will be 2 units above the axis. So that means the 2, so now become the positive 2. So point C is 2 units to the right of the y-axis. So point C prime, that means the image, will be 2 units below the x-axis. So point C originally is 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Now it's become 3, 2, and then this one become negative 2. Okay, so the 2, 3 now become 3 and negative 2. Now, we will connect point A, B, and C prime. So A, B, C prime. So we connect B and C and A prime. So this is prime, the notation for the image. So ABC prime. To form the image of triangle ABC prime. Now, you realize something? This is X, this is Y. Now this become what? The X, Y, and the B become right here, right? We look like we flip them and we change the size. So this is what? Y, and this is X. But this is the negative become a positive when we put opposite down. Just an example. So over here, the C prime, this originally is 2, 3. That means X and Y. And now the Y become the X right here. So you see that? So we flip them. Look like we flip the X and the Y. So the Y over here, you see that 3 and 3, and the X over here, and it's negative X. So A is still A. Now, is the image congruent to the pre-image? How do you know? Of course, yes, it is. Because when we rotate, right? When we rotate, what happened? The shape doesn't change. Now example, we're going to rotate 180 degrees. What does it mean? That means we're going to rotate 90 degrees and 90 degrees again, like twice. So from here, A still A because we rotate around the origin. So A still A prime and A is the same. How about B? B, the original, the pre-image will be 1 and 2. So if we rotate once, we will, X become Y and Y become X. So for example, this one, 1, 2, and we rotate one time 90 degrees, it's become 2 and 1. So if we rotate this way, it will be negative. We rotate again, we will flip it again, so it's become 2. And now we have to put a negative because we rotate another one. In other words, x, y become negative x and negative y because we rotate twice. So our B become B prime. So our B prime will be first will be 2 and 1, 2 and negative 1 right here. And then we rotate again. It's go to negative 1 and negative 2. So negative 1 and negative 2. So our B prime is right here. The same for C. Originally, pre-image point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 2. So if we do it twice, it's go back to X and Y negative. Okay, so the pre-image of 180 degree rotation will be negative 4 and negative 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4, negative 2. We're going down 1, 2. So C prime will be right here. And then D, the pre-image will be 1, 2, 3, 0. And then when we do 180 degrees, it's become negative 3 and 0. So negative 3 will be the opposite right here. 1, 2, 3, and 0. Now we have D prime. Connect the ABC, we got the new image. Okay. So this is C prime, B prime, D prime. A is A prime. The same. So that is the new image. Okay. How about sorry, it's not very straight. How about 270 degree clockwise? That means we rotate from here. For example, we rotate 90 degree here. We rotate another 90. So 90 and 90 is 180 degree. And then we rotate one more time to get 270. What does it mean? Is that the same thing as we rotate 90 degree counterclockwise? So it's the same as 90 degree counter, right? Clockwise. What does it mean? That means from here we rotate backward from here to there. Now again, A is A prime because we rotate around the origin. Now let's do B. Our pre-image is 1 and 2. If we rotate, 90 degree, again, we have to flip them. So this is X and Y. If we rotate 90 degree, it's become Y and X. But since it's 90 degree clockwise, so our Y become negative. So kind of the trick, the shortcut to learn how to rotate. Okay. So, and now if 1, 2 is B, our B prime will be what? We flip them equal 2, 1. And then since 90 degree counterclockwise, this one become negative 2. Now we move to point C is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 2. The same thing as what? We flip them equal 2 and 4. 90 degree counter, so we negative 2 and 4 for C prime. This is C prime. And this is B prime. How about D? D is 1, 2, 3. So 3, 0. So we need to flip them equal 0, 3, and then this one negative. So negative 0 still negative. So still 0. So now we have new point. Our new point of 270 degree clockwise is negative 2 and 1. 1 point is right here. That is B prime. And C will be negative 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is C prime. And D will be 0, 3. So 0, 3 will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So our new image is this. So we label this is D prime right here. Find the number 8. Find the coordinates of point C after a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation followed by a 180-degree rotation. So point C, our C original right here. Point C is what? Is 4 and 2. 4, 2. If we rotate 90 degrees, so what do? We flip them counterclockwise. So become 2 and 4, right? So we flip them but counter. So we go this way, so this one become negative 2 and 4. And after that, we need to rotate 180-degree rotation. So if 180, we keep X and Y and we change the sign. So we rewrite negative 2 and 4 and we make both of them negative. Since this one already negative, so a negative and a negative. So this one become a positive 2. The positive 4 become a negative 4. So in other words, the coordinates of point C after that, so the C prime, the final one will be 2 and negative 4. In other words, if you want to write the algebraic, we will do X, Y, right, with 90 degree. This is 90 degree counter clockwise. So we will do what? Flip it, Y, X, and it's negative Y. And after that, if we want to do 180 degree, okay, we will keep negative Y, right? We keep negative Y and we keep X. We just add the sign to it right there. But this is just the next lesson. We will do this. Just explain a little bit. Now on the back, this is the rotation about around the origin. So we have 90 degree clockwise, multiply each by a negative 1 and switch X to Y. Again, if we are 90 degree clockwise, we multiply by a negative 1 and we switch. So usually I switch it first and I multiply by a negative 1. So Y, XY become YX. And then 90 degree clockwise, we go this way. So I put a negative X. 90 degree counterclockwise, we flip them, okay, switch them, and then we go this way, so Y become negative Y. 180 degree, as I explained, we do this way, and then we do it again, so it go back to X and Y, and both of them negative. In other words, we multiply X and Y by a negative 1. So, the same thing as 90 degree clockwise is 270 counterclockwise. And 90 degree counterclockwise is the same thing as 270 clockwise. 180 degree, it doesn't matter which way you go, it's still, this way will be the same, or this way would be the same too. 180 is 180, half of a circle. Either way you go, you still get there. So, number 1, which rotation below is the same thing as 200